Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing video for you today. I've actually never done an unboxing video, but I just got on Amazon Prime Day last week a new air fryer. My old air fryer broke. I had it for almost 7 years, so it was time. It's no longer working, so I did a bunch of research and wanted to get a really good new air fryer because they're so wonderful. So I'm going to go through this one with you. So I really wanted to get a large air fryer. So this one is 5.7 quarts, nice and large, and I also really wanted a square basket. So this one has a square basket also. I read all of the reviews on Amazon. This one got great reviews. It is by the brand that makes the Instapot. So the Instapot pressure cooker. So that is just a wonderful kitchen gadget to have. So I wanted to get this one, give it a try, and I'm going to unbox it up and show you everything that came with this. So I have not opened it at all. It just came in the mail. Like I said, I got it on Amazon Prime Day last week, and it was 40% off. So that's why I wanted to wait for Amazon Prime Day, because they have the best sales. So let's open it up. This box is really great. It has this nice little handle, so I might actually keep the box after I go through all this. But I'll just pull it all out, get all the packaging away from it, and then I will show you the whole thing. All right, so it's packaged really well, which I love when I get so much stuff in the mail. This has really great packaging, so it's not damaged in transit while it gets to me. So here it is. Caution, remove all packaging and accessories from the cooking chamber before use. Well, yeah, because I'm going to open it up and show you everything. Well, it's taped closed right here, so I'll take the tape off. And we will open it up and find all the goodies. So this comes with some accessories. So I saw that on the reviews and wanted to get a few accessories, and this one just came right with it. So I thought that was great instead of ordering separate accessories. So we've got some skewers, so we can do kebabs, a nice little basket, and then these skewers, they look like they're going to, here, I'll pull one out. They're going to set on here. This is so awesome. I love kebabs. I haven't made them in a while, but this will be a really great way, instead of putting them on the barbecue, make some little kebabs and put them on this cute little rack. So I'm gonna stick this skewer back in here. All right, we've got that basket, which is awesome. A couple different trays. So we have this tray, and then the tray that it came with right here. So like I said, I really wanted a square basket instead of round. My last one was a round basket, but I wanted to get one this time with square, and it has this cool little handle thing, so it's easy to take out. So that just goes right inside, and then it will pull right out for easy cleaning. So that's another thing that was really important to me when I was looking to see which air fryer to get. I wanted something that was really easy to clean, because you guys know that I don't like cleaning up a bunch of messes all the time. So I really wanted something, so this is Dishwasher Safe, pops right out, so it's really easy to clean, and that's something I really wanted. All right, so it came with a little instruction manual. I'm not very good at reading instructions. I usually just press buttons until things start to work. So I might read this one. A nice little guide on how to use your air fryer. So air fryers are so wonderful, especially in the summer. It's so hot right now. I don't like to turn my oven on for cooking. It's even so hot that I don't want to go barbecue outside. So this air fryer is perfect, really great. The kids love French fries. Chicken strips, makes them so nice and crispy. and taste great. So I love putting those in the air fryer for them. I love making salmon in the air fryer, so I'll have to make my salmon recipe soon. So check back often to see that recipe. Salmon in the air fryer is my favorite. Also love burgers, French fries. Like I said, my kids love those. But lots of awesome things to cook in the air fryer. Love this little basket that came with it, and then this little tray that will set on top of the basket. So really cool, tons of stuff to make. Let me put it back in here. I'm gonna turn it on. Plug it in. All right, so let's see what it looks like. So it's off, so it has air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. So all awesome. So you can do the time manually. There's the temperature, time, there's cancel and start. So this is really awesome. I don't like gadgets that have just way too many buttons. I don't like to spend a ton of time figuring things out. So this is so great, nice and simple. Like I said, I really wanted to get a good quality air fryer. The last one I had, like I said, it lasted almost 7 years. So that one was really great. I wanted to get another one that I would have for a long time, so that's why I waited for the huge Amazon sale. Actually, I just checked, it's still on sale, so if you want to grab one of these, I will put a link to it in the description box. So I don't think they'll be on sale for that much longer at this awesome price, but I am really looking forward to using this air fryer. Come back often. I'm going to post all kinds of videos using it, have all kinds of ideas. So thanks for watching my unboxing video. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box. I got this on Amazon Prime Day, so it was a really great deal, but I'll put a link to this in the description box, so check that out if you need a new air fryer like I did. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.